All right, sketchers, that's how our perspective for today turns out. Look, I've been getting a lot of requests for interior perspectives, so we're going to develop one. Let's go step by step. Horizon line, vanishing point one, vanishing point two. We begin to project the lines to give us our space. Yes, an interior. Notice how I'm projecting. I place that vertex and project, so we're doing well. That vertex is important. It's the corner of the studio or the bedroom. It's a bedroom, but we're going to be looking at the desk area where this student or sketcher works. Did you see how I place another line and start to pull to vanish the lines of our element to vanishing point one and vanishing point two? Did you catch that? There it goes again. I vanish and bring it down. So right there, I relatively have the cube of our element, but I make the mistake, look, of not going all the way to the wall. You have to be careful. So now I go to the vertex of the wall, which is given to me by the vertex where the wall and the floor meet. And now, yes, I simply make it wider, right? Here I'm going to add a drawer area to this desk so they can keep all their things. A desk or workstation, architect style, one of those huge tables, right? And well, there it is how I'm also vanishing the legs to one vanishing point and to the other vanishing point. That gives it volume. Let's put a little lamp here, right? And over here, we're going to add some of those things to keep folders or papers, right? Did you notice? Look at this vanishing line. It's a very interesting one because it's very close to vanishing point two. And well, we vanish it to point one as well to give us the volume. And when I have it so close to the vanishing point, the perspective, here I'm helping myself with a ruler, if you notice, so it's easier to understand. The perspective starts to distort quite a bit, right? It's as if we had the element right on top of us, if you notice, right? Even so, it responds to the rules, to the geometric laws of perspective. That's what it's all about. So I like these kinds of elements that are very close, right? Because they grow right before our eyes. And right there, we're going to start making the shelves, right? Notice how I'm making the shelves. They aren't spaced out at the same distance, right? You know how some furniture has equal spacing and others don't. Notice how I vanished to give volume to the shelves, right? And well, here we go. We're shaping it. Here I'm proposing the window. The window obviously has volume. Nothing in drawing is made of paper. Everything has volume. Remember that, right? Everything has volume, and that's what perspective is for. Well, let's get into making this type of chair, a sketcher's desk chair, right? And we'll make it calmly. If you notice, it's a freehand perspective. I'm helping myself a bit with the rules so that it looks right and shows clearly where the vanishing line is coming from, right? Did you see how I'm making the legs of the chair? All of this is a rough draft. All of this is a sketch, quick drawing. Look, let's go. Let's get the idea out, the concept, right? That's what these drawings are all about. We're going to add another little tree. I love putting little trees in there. Maybe we're on a first floor. Yes, perhaps. Or the second, I don't know. Well, let's bring in the shading. Obviously, the light comes from the window, so all the shadows lean to the right? Because the light tells us which way they go. It's going to have a vase here, and well, you can start putting your interior together however you think looks best. You know what I mean? Mind you, let's shade where it belongs so that it makes sense. Here we're going to come in with this hatching to give it volume and shadow our shelving unit, which doesn't have anything on it yet, but, well, right? The point was to draw it. And let's add the shadows that go inside to understand our drawing better, right? Don't get frustrated. It's a rough sketch and it's becoming tedious with so much shading, but don't give up. Try to get through it, and well, that's what it's about. There go more shadows. You can see it's all quick movement, and well, we're doing great. We're working perfectly fine. We propose the floor. And leave me a comment if these perspectives I'm doing are helping you, if you like seeing interior perspective, exterior perspective, or what you think of these exercises. Well, there's a painting coming in, and well, I'd appreciate a like, a share, and a comment. Don't forget. See you later.